Greetings, everyone. This is Eric Hong, Executive Director of the Momiji Healthcare Society, speaking to you on September 16th, 2020. It has been a while since I last posted on social media about the COVID pandemic. I trust that everybody has been keeping well. The summer months have been good ones. While the pandemic is by no means over, community spread had dropped to what public health officials had characterized as a manageable level. Consequently, the more drastic emergency measures imposed by the various levels of government to restrict social activities in public places have been gradually relaxed. I'm sure everyone appreciated being able to come out from self-isolation and enjoyed interacting with family, friends, and neighbors again, even if we have to do so while wearing face masks, maintaining physical distancing, and diligently following infection prevention directives to wash our hands frequently with soap or hand sanitizers. At Momiji, we had done our utmost to keep everybody safe while the pandemic raged around us. To have to restrict visitors to our residence and to cancel group activities in the Seniors Active Living Center was hard to take. It would have been nice to be able to know for sure that all these sacrifices have been worthwhile. Well, towards the end of July, we were able to arrange for Scarborough Health Network, our local hospital, to send a COVID testing team to Momiji. On that day, 180 persons who were on site, including residents and staff, were tested. All the test results have come back negative, meaning that nobody tested was carrying any sign of COVID infection then. That outcome was wonderful news and validated that all that had been done and all that everyone has been putting up to keep us safe have indeed worked as intended. It has taken the cooperation of everybody that has led to such a positive outcome, so a heartfelt congratulations to all is warranted. On a more somber note, it has also widely been anticipated that intensified community spread of the COVID virus might make a comeback with the arrival of flu season this fall. Recently, the number of new COVID cases reported both across Ontario and in the City of Toronto have been trending upwards. Just this past Monday, over 300 new cases were reported for the province on one day, when 6 weeks ago that number was only 80. To date, the provincial government has not yet reimposed restrictions on social activities. It has, however, signaled its concern at the increased number of new COVID infections being detected on a daily basis. The Premier has hinted at his willingness to curtail social and economic activities that might put more people at risk of infection if the spread of COVID increases more rapidly. That means even as we restart some of our Seniors Active Living Center programs at Momiji, we must not let our guard down in terms of requiring wearing of masks, limiting size of group gatherings, enforcing physical distancing between people on site, and screening visitors for symptoms that might suggest possible COVID infection. None of these measures will work if we do not have the cooperation of everybody. That includes Momiji staff, contracted service providers from outside, residents of MSR, as well as their visiting families and friends. Collaboratively, we have been successful in keeping everybody safe through the first 6 months of the pandemic. Let us continue to work together to maintain Momiji as a safe place to be through the expected second wave of the pandemic. Thank you.